Hi there, CannaBeard Grows here. How you doing? How you doing? I hope you're well today. So I got a little story for you. The other night, I heard this weird sound, this rumbling sound, and the whole sky lit up. And this meteor or something, I guess it was, came crashing down in my backyard like this. And I went outside, and in this crater was a box. And I could hear outside I listened ever so carefully, and I could hear this. And I thought to myself, well, that's very strange. I wonder what's in this box that's beckoning me so. That's an absolute lie. That's not at all what happened. Actually, I got an email from this from this gentleman who thought that I would benefit from checking this light out. Yeah, this is something pretty cool, actually. Again, I do turn down a lot of lights. Not trying to brag or flex or anything, but I turn down a lot of offers, and this thing here was really interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. So let's check it out. Oh my goodness, it's a okay, hold on a second. It's a box in a box. What is this thing? Amazon? Okay, it's a box in a box. Beautiful. Okay, well, let's do this again. Anyway.
Hello.
Let's get into this here. Let's see what is dropped from the heavens for old CannaBeard here. I got a strange feeling about this light, man. I don't know what to say. I know that there's like some anticipation and everything here, but let's just open it up. Let's get into it. First off, big thank you. Check them out. There's a barcode. I don't know if you're able to scan that thing on the YouTube, but if you are, there you go. Warm tips. What the frick is this? Warm tips. Okay, I'll look into that. Are you guys ready for this? Are you really ready for this thing? Okay, here we go. Okay, we got looks like a daisy chain system. We got some hanging wires. Yeah. Who cares? What the hell is that? Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. This thing's really cool here. Let me just get it out of the box here. And we'll take it up from there. You gotta see this thing. We got more than meets the eye here. Let me tell you. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at that. You can adjust them. It's a transformer board. How cool is that? Oh, it's a beast. I gotta be careful. It's hard to maneuver. It's heavy. Now it's got some good ring hardware for hanging right there. We got an on-off. We got a good old volume switch there. Holy crap! Let me put it down this way here. Look at the size of the footprint on that. Wow, that's pretty big, man. That's. I don't mean to laugh at this thing in a bad way, but like, I love it. It's cool. Okay, it's got a nice silicone coating, so that's good. That's good to know. Yeah, silicone coating. This is a nice piece of hardware, I think. I don't know yet, but it might be a nice piece of hardware. I think it is, man. I was like reading the specs on this thing, and it's pretty impressive here. Oh god, this thing's cool. I'm not trying to. Seriously, I can't stop laughing at this thing. I don't know why it's funny. It's not funny. It's cool. It's so bizarre though. I've never seen anything like this. It's a transformer light. It's crazy. And am I just a big nerd, a big child for thinking this is cool? I can't be like alone in thinking this is pretty badass. There we go. Oh god, do I got some sunglasses? Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Some green puppies. That's what that might help me a little bit. This is gonna set off the fire alarm here, I believe, here in a second. So, not actually, but let's do that right there. I don't want to leave it too long just on cardboard. I gotta set a fire or something. Whew! We have ignition. Oh god, I already can't look at it. Oh, okay. Well, one thing I can say already is I'm liking the amount of reds. We're going red, and then we got 1, 2, 3 diodes, and then another red, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diodes, and then, oh no, 6. Yeah, so 6. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 diodes on each of these little corner panels of the what's, deep reds or something. Okay, hold on. I can't. Oh god, I can barely, even with the glasses, I can barely see this thing. Here we go. Let's turn it up. Wow. Well, I'll tell you, from low to high is, oh yeah, I guess it is pretty impressively. Wow, though, man, that is hard to look at. Holy crap! I'm gonna use this light. I'm gonna put this light in my 4x4. I gotta put this light in my 4x4. And don't forget to like the video, everybody. And if you are subscribed already, or if you're new subscribing, when you're hitting that bell for notification, make sure 3 options are going to pop up. Make sure you hit all notifications, because if you let that custom thing do its sorting for you, you'll never catch any of my live shows. And the live shows are truly where it's at. Anyway, thank you very much. I hope you freaking enjoyed this thing. Oh my god, I'm just so blinded by this thing. Oh my goodness. It's so bright! It's so bright! Okay, let's put this thing in the tent and give it a test. Okay. So here we go. Here's this new light is in here right there. I mean, right on its own, it looks like it's kind of filling the space pretty darn good here. So let me get this light dilly here again, and let's test it out here. Hold on, let me get this light. Yeah, that's about a little straighter. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, so let's get this in here, and it's this one again, right? Okay, so around 245. Seems to be holding pretty 245 right there. Okay, now, as before here, we're going to test the same one here. So let's just slide it right on over here while we're here. No sense cutting or nothing. Okay. Comparable. Pretty close if I remember correctly. Pretty darn close. Maybe a couple of points over, but here. Okay, now. Let's center this thing here. Now, that was collapsed. Let's expand this thing. Let's transform it, if you will. And there we go, fully expanded. Man, that is honestly really kind of cool. I hope it like lasts and everything. I mean, it feels good. It looks good so far. But let's put some tests to it here, shall we? Oh shit! Before I do that, I gotta make sure. I was gonna say I had it down low while I was setting it up, so it wasn't blinding my ass too hardly. There we go. Holy crap! Now it's definitely blinding me. Okay, I was gonna say it seemed a little dim. Here we go. So we turn it on. Now we bring the decimal down to that one there. And okay. Sorry about that. I ran out of space on the phone. I had to do a bunch of deleting of some old files I forgot to get rid of. Anyway, I'm back. Here we go. So there it was in the center here. Now let's move it. Let's move it over to the side here like this. Same kind of position. Let's get it nice and centered right there. And let's see what it says here. It'll increase, not much. I think that again, I'm gonna have to check the tape here because I kind of forget. I'm a bit of a stoner here. But I think that's a little bit of an increase. So I mean, like any increase is a welcome increase here. Wait a second. I wonder. Let me turn that off for just a second here. Let me bring this out here. Let me plug that in. Oh man, this is spooky. Okay, hold on. What's happening? Okay. That's what I think was going to happen. Now, here we go. Oh my god, I'm scared. Holy crap! Okay. Sweet. Don't tell anybody. They're compatible. Sweet. Thank you. Anyway, I like this light. I think it is freaking super cool looking. So, don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff. I think I said that already. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you do like the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.